Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jackie and my channel is dedicated to all things cozy and seasonal. Usually I talk a lot about fall, but it's still summertime and I'm at the beach. This is my first time at the beach in about 3 years. It's my husband's birthday week, and so we love doing a vacation during this time, and we decided to come to the beach. We are on 30A, if you are familiar with it. That is the panhandle of Florida, the Gulf Coast. And so I have not been back here in so long. I grew up coming here like in high school with my friends, but Mike and I have not been here together in such a long time. We don't have the dog, so it's just us. We're gonna be here for a few days. So this vlog will be a beach vlog, and I'm gonna try to make it as cozy as possible as the beach can be. You know, usually I don't think of the beach as cozy, but I'm gonna make it cozy for y'all, and we're gonna figure it all out. We got here yesterday, and I started filming a little bit today, but a little bit red, that's okay. This morning I woke up at 6 a.m. and took a nice sunrise hike by myself. I went about 4 miles on the beach. I will say that's how you can make your beach trip cozy, is sunrise and sunset walks. That's like my favorite thing to do at the beach. Mike, my husband though, loves to like do all of the beach activities. So, you know, we're kind of yin and yang there, but I love waking up at sunrise, going on walks, and there's not many seashells here. I would totally look for seashells and try to collect all the seashells, but there were none on the beach. So I don't know. I don't know what this vlog is gonna be. We're just gonna wing it. We got some rain today, so I do think I'm gonna have some rainy little videos for you guys. I'll probably take you guys to the restaurants and show you all of the food that we're eating. I actually am recently new to eating seafood. I know that sounds a little crazy, but it's true. I had my first piece of fish like this year. Like since I was a little kid, I, grew up eating Captain D's back in the day, and I just did not like that as a kid, so I did not eat fish ever since. So I've recently started eating fish and shrimp and crab cake, so I'm hoping to have some of that here. Yeah, I think we're just gonna relax and lay out in the sun. That's cozy, right? This is just a different pace for me. I am usually in the mountains, in the woods, in the gardens, so I don't usually consider myself a beach person, but I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna make it work, and I'm gonna make it me any way, shape, form possible. And we're gonna have a good little cozy beach week. So I'm excited to have you guys here. And again, I don't really know what I'm gonna do with this video. I think it's just gonna be a vlog, but I'm excited to take you guys with me. So I hope you enjoy it. Be sure to like and subscribe and share this video with any of your friends and fellow cozy lovers. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this cozy little video. My absolute favorite thing to do at the beach is a sunrise walk by myself, listening to the waves, looking out into the ocean. It is so calm and peaceful. I love it so much. So almost every single morning I woke up around 5:30 and I would be out the door by 5:45, the latest by 6 a.m. just so I could see the sunrise. And I mean, for good reason. Look at this sunrise. Literally, it was magical. And personally, I just love being out on the beach when nobody is around. That's just my personality. I don't love the afternoons on the beach, but the sunrises and sunsets are my favorite parts. Also, look at these houses. I would just walk by like daydreaming in my head. Wow, what if I stayed here? Who lives here? I mean, the houses in Seaside, Florida are out of this world. I truly cannot even imagine what it would feel like to stay in one of those. But anyways, this was one of my first sunrise walks. Again, I did this every single morning, and it was honestly my favorite part of the whole beach trip. 'I know some people wouldn't want to see rain at the beach on their vacation, but I was honestly thrilled. I love watching thunderstorms at the beach. They are just so unbelievably cool. Like the way you can see the rain coming down in the distance, it's just so cool to me. And it's honestly so relaxing to just watch it come in. It does not scare me at all. Again, granted, it's just a thunderstorm that's not threatening my life, but I mean, look how cool this boat looks out there. It was so beautiful. I loved this thunderstorm moment that we had at the beach. Two hours later, the sun was back out and we were enjoying ourselves at the beach again. It was lovely. The following morning, I had such a special sunrise with this full moon greeting me over the ocean water. Something about me that you might not know is that I am really into the moon and stars, and I love journaling on the full moon. So this was a really special sunrise walk for me. It was just beautiful. I mean, look at the colors, the birds, and then you turn and the full moon is just right there in front of you. Of course, I had to bring my coffee out. You guys know I love having my morning coffee. Truly just such a beautiful moment. This is my new favorite fantasy series. If you're a fantasy lover, you need to pick this one ASAP. So later in the evening, this was actually Mike's 34th birthday, so we went to a very fancy dinner, and I had my first grouper fillet. So good. This sunrise walk was so unbelievably beautiful. Again, look at these homes. Then I decided to actually walk in to Seaside, Florida. So this is like the cute little square. If you're not aware, Seaside, Florida is where the Truman Show was filmed. I personally love that movie, so I was really excited to walk around the square. Normally, you guys, this is filled to the brim with people, but since I got there at 6:30 a.m. there was nobody there, and of course none of the shops were open, but I at least got to walk around and experience the square with no one there, which is honestly exactly how I prefer to do things. I like to be alone and I don't love crowds, so honestly this turned out absolutely perfect for me. Seaside is just the most aesthetically pleasing town. I wasn't even able to film all of it. This was just the square, but truly every single home in Seaside is so cute. They all have like a very distinct feel and aesthetic, and it's very pleasing to the eye. Mike and I went and ate at this pickle stand. It was actually really, really good. I could have walked around here forever. It's truly like Stars Hollow, but at the beach. My very own Gilmore Girls, but beach vacation. If Gilmore Girls went to the beach, this would be it. But again, look at these gigantic homes. I mean, some of them are just truly unreal. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog at the beach with me, and if you liked it, please comment and let me know. Again, I'm not typically a beach person. This is usually not my content, but I seriously enjoy you guys watching this video with me. I'll talk to you guys next week. Bye!